Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love these Soundcore Life Q20 noise canceling headphones. So the first reason is they have noise canceling capability. There is a switch here where we can turn it on and off. The second one is these are cordless or wireless. So they have Bluetooth technology, but also they have a battery built in. I can charge it up and then I don't have to have a cable connected to it. The third one is they just sound really good. So let's dive into these. These are the pure sound noise canceling headphones. Very, very soft. I can adjust them and they rotate. Let's get down here. You're gonna, first off, you wanna charge it with micro USB. So right there's the charging point. It does come with a cable, but you will need a wall charger, a USB-A wall charger. You're gonna plug it in and then you're gonna have a red light that's flashing. Okay, so when you wanna power them on, you're gonna press and hold. This is the power button on the left side. See, there's a big L and a big R for left and right ear. So on the left side at the very bottom, there's a little raised portion on it. Press and hold it for 3 seconds and it's going to turn on. Now the Bluetooth light's going to be flashing. You can go to your iPhone, swipe down and connect to the Bluetooth. There's noise canceling. There's a green light. You can hold it for 2 seconds, turn it off or turn it on. On this other side, the right ear, we have volume up and down. We can answer a call. We can pause and play the playlist. It's also where you charge it. Now it does come with a headphone jack. So if you want to plug this in and then plug this into a headphone jack, you don't have to use the Bluetooth technology. You can use it like a wired headphone. But these are really, really soft. It's very comfortable. You can see, got lots of adjustments. But a left and a right, wireless. Now if you want to reset the Bluetooth, you're going to turn it on. The blue light's going to flash. You're going to hold that power button for 5 seconds. And then the Bluetooth will be flashing again. That's going to reset the Bluetooth. Now you're able to swipe down and connect to Bluetooth again. And it also does talk to you. So when you put these on and you press the buttons, it is going to talk to you in the headphones and tell you what you're doing. And I also think the noise cancellation works really well. But if you want to hear the environment around you, you're going to press this button and the green light's going to go off. And that way you can kind of hear what's being played in here, but you can also hear the environment around you. They do fold up and it does come with this nice little bag. We can put the headphones in this bag. It's very, very soft. Pull string tie here. Now your headphones are ready to go. These are just super nice headphones. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.